let me brag on my God. Get a trophy, yeah, just showing off. Yeah, I promise you never took a loss. If I'ma tell it, I gotta tell it all. Wait a second, let me brag on my God. Get a trophy, just tell it all. Make a credit, he never took a loss. And if I'ma tell it, I gotta tell it all. Hold on, wait a second, let me brag on my I love my God, keep them bands on me. You may say I'm tripping, I'm your family.
One Shaddie, one Blue Lagoon. Period.
And on we'll go.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaddie B.
And Wesian.
And where are we?
Port Antonio.
Yay! So guys, Wesley planned this trip. We're going to Blue Lagoon.
We never planned good come here with nothing.
She never checked the weather last night, guys. So we're in KFC getting some, what is chicken?
Yeah.
And then we'll be on our way. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Where's the yellow? Say blue, yes, it's
It's a free entry. We only have for a contribution. You go towards the bathroom. After you leave a contribution up here with me, then you go down, sign your name. If you're not a very good swimmer, then you can get your life jacket for rental. And also can go around to the mineral spring if you know you're not a very good swimmer. Alright?
Awesome.
We're here and we're gonna have fun.
We have the mineral side, which is the shallow side, basically non-swimmers, children. Okay? So also the fountain of youth as well. Alright. The shallow side goes all the way out where the rope touches across the water. Beyond that point, it's a drop-off point there. Okay? We have the lagoon, it's over 200 feet deep. As the sign says there, it's mandatory that you do wear a life vest to go into the lagoon. However, if you so refuse to wear the vest, you will swim at your own risk. We do have our lifeguards on duties as well. Okay? Alright, but it's a lot of you, so you know that. Let me take care of the shallow part. Exactly. The lagoon is warm and cool. It's a mixture of salt and fresh water. This is the mineral. Fountain of youth. Get it 20 years ago.
20 years. So
really?
Wait, where's the other be invisible then? You can't go in there. Guys, the place is nice. We drive through thunderstorm, but we reach. Yeah, it's so beautiful.
When the water's so blue.
Hey, we have to go to where them did it.
The water's so blue. So blue. So blue. So blue.
You ready? You excited? Hey. Guys, I could see which one I twist them look better when them do. Certified swimmer. Focus.
I can't help nobody if I cannot help myself.
But we know you can help yourself.
Oh, if I cannot see.
Oh yeah, glasses. Oh yeah. Keep blind on the right, left eye.
Alright guys, we're actually gonna go in now. So excited! I eat this, guys.
Alright, right? You have nowhere else but.
Wait, I'm gonna feel the temperature at home.
Shaddie, you need to acclimate.
Yes, I always embarrass me, you know, cause this is not hot water bed now, but the hot part, she never say some part hot.
It's an on and off thing.
Yeah, cause some feel warm, some
No, it's not too.
One eternity later.
Get them, Wesley. Get them. Where to go?
Daniel, you good?
You not get them too. You stand up, by the way?
Yes,
no.
You not stand up, no. Which part am I gonna stand up? We are going to the What's the fish them? Wanna see the fish there? Woo. Karen, why am I tired, man? What you want to do? Come down, come. Finally.
Over here is so warm.
It's not all that warm. It's get cold.
I want to stay. When can't hold on for each other doing now. When can't manage to, guys. I'm not going to pass that. You don't pass it? No. You can pass it. I just don't want to. I'll just stay here. If you have on the jacket, you'll be fine. Me, I go well if you didn't. Me have to go over there so with them. Okay. Yeah, go over? Just swim. Swim. Put your head under the something. Lift it up.
See the line of the sky to see. It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sails will see stays behind me, one day I'll know.
Alright, guys, I'll go pose to the camera. We're not take a picture, just pose. Ready? Ready. Yes, to my eyes. Still a Bernard. Swim teacher Bernard. Wow. You can't say You alright? You tired? If you're tired, just stop. Just stop. Like, just stop. You're not going to throw. Just stop. You don't feel this. You can lay down back way. That's it. Awesome. Alright? Yeah. How is it? It's cold but warm, but cold but warm. Cold and then it warm. And then it cold and then it warm. You're cold in your warm, you're cold in your warm. After I feel free, but it's nice. I'll get like this. Hi guys. Hi. Yes, KK. I'm playing some can't touch the bathroom now. Yeah, money. Yes, Caitlin, catch up! Caitlin, catch up! Catch up, girl, catch up! Catch up, girl, catch up! Catch up, girl, catch up! Catch up, catch up, catch up! Catch up! Chariot, chariot!
She catch me off guard, guys. Oh, it's okay? Thank you. There's something wrong with mine? I'm finally making it. Go! Finally. You don't like it, thank you. Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah. Finally. I'm gonna go jump now, guys. Alright guys, so right now, then we want to go and jump off. So we're gonna jump off, we want to jump off. Yeah. You want to jump off, kid? Yeah. Okay, I want to jump off. Alright, come to the exit. Yeah, we're gonna jump off now, guys. So wait, which one to swim go? When you swim, walk. Oh, when you walk, you walk over. Oh! You're not sure that test it out. Oh, fire swim. Oh, fire swim. You saw it blue from up here, so? Wow.
Same time. Go on now, ready?
Okay. Daddy, come.
But I just two of them. Sister and brother, you're not here.
Okay.
Woo! Them are two, yeah. Ready, set, go. She good?
Turn back.
Up to me and say, think like a cup or something.
Alright, back to the water. Come out.
Can you see a bus now?
Guys, I say woman they jump off with they look high, but them a go down.
They go down.
Me video, go on, my video.
Jana, you alone not jump yet. Jana watch mermaid.
Right, Jana the mermaid.
Wow. Ow. You have to like your arms, booby. Him love it.
I cannot swim.
A long jump.
Yeah, I need to jump. You have to jump, you don't step from right there. I'll step back door. Run and jump so that you get the momentum. Remember, say you want to go out, right? You can't hold them hand now. Out! Caitlin, you have to go further, man. Wait till the boat. Come here. No, but the boat.
Okay.
I do it right now.
Alright, go. You first.
Alright, do it by yourself.
Mark, set, go. Jump.
You have to jump. Not so you have to run and jump.
A free fall, she a do.
Johnny, are you clear?
Jump right off.
Woo! Get that step. Alright, come out the way now.
That is better. Go now.
You can go. Woo! Me, I hear that Jana. Go.
Oh, over there.
Woo! Phone time.
Well, my shoes up here. When you bring it? No.
I'm probably Auntie Carla in the other time.
That's nice, yeah. Well, I'm going to sing.
Blue Lagoon.
Blue.
Right. Listen, guys. I have foot at it. Kick your foot. Yes, Darren. Yeah. Dana. Daniel. Move. Come on, Kimmy. Well, Kimmy, I get lessons. Come on, girl, you're doing it. You're doing it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
You're almost there. I love Thailand. Whoa! I want him! Are you not free, Daniel? Daniel, how was it?
Meanwhile,
Guys, them got island leave me. I know when it late. Can you imagine say Caroline thief my life jacket and run gone over the island? I'm left stranded. Anyways, let's see if we can make it across.
Ready? Kimmy, ready? Come, Kimmy, ready? Ready now, Kimmy. Ready, Kimmy, ready?
Anna, don't mix me.
Come now, Kimmy, and go on. Or if someone can go. How's it, Kimmy? You're okay? Yeah? For the most part?
So nice. When the water's so blue. This is so nice. This nice fun.
Oh, for the ear. Yeah. Ready again. Yeah, do that, you got.
My baby, my Valentine. Can I hear the making my temperature rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, don't leave me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. Yamani never carry she. Wanna make I see you. Come along, 1, 2, 3. You make a bad man sing go out.
We're going back over now. Prepare for departure.
Yes, Jamila, we're not leaving in the island.
Kimmy start already.
Yes, Kimmy, go first. Oh, Kimmy, hurry up.
Who that? Guys, we had a time. A time was had.
Right.
And now it's time for us to go back in the car and drive 3 hours back to Kingston. But everybody have fun, right?
Yeah!
Alright, so until next time, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye!